So 10th question, ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C on diagonals BD. We have to show that triangle APB is congruent to CQD. So APB and CQD, right? So given ABCD is a parallelogram to 2 and AP is perpendicular to BD and CQ is also perpendicular to BD. We have to prove triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. Now, see, this is equal to this, opposite sides of a parallelogram, right? And this angle 90 degree and this angle 90 degree. Also, this angle is equal to this angle. So by AAS congruence condition, both these triangles will be congruent. And then by CPCT, AP and CQ will be equal. So proof of this, in triangle APB and triangle CQD, we have AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. And then we have angle APB. Angle APB is equal to angle CQD is equal to 90 degree. This is also given, right? And then angle ABP. So angle ABP is equal to angle CDQ. So this is alternate interior angles. So by AAS congruence condition, so by AAS congruence, triangle APB is congruent to triangle CQD. Okay. So we have AP is equal to, this implies AP is equal to CQ. So this is by CPCT. आ गया समझ सबको?
Yes, sir.
आप लोगों ने लिख लिया इसको?
Yes, sir, written.
I'm writing it. Sir, I'm get lost.
Eleventh is in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So we have two triangles. So one triangle is ABC, other triangle is DEF. So this triangle is A, B, and C. This triangle is D, E, and F. Okay. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to D, AB is equal to D, and AB is parallel to D. Apart from this, AB is also parallel to D. BC is equal to EF, BC is equal to EF, and BC is also parallel to EF. Vertices A, B, and C are joined to vertices D, E, and F respectively. We have to first show ABED is a parallelogram. So see, one of the opposite side, this ABED का बात करें ये वाले quadrilateral में, one of the opposite side is equal as well as parallel. So ABED will be a parallelogram. So given AB is equal to D, AB is parallel to D, then also BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF as well. To prove, first is that ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. Second, DEFC is a parallelogram. DEFC is a parallelogram. Third, AD is parallel to CF. Third is AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. Fourth part which we have to prove is quadrilateral ACFD is parallelogram. ACFD is a parallelogram. Fifth part, AC is equal to DF. And ABC is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ये सारा हमें प्रूव करना है, एक एक करके प्रूव करते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट, ABED is a parallelogram, तो तुम लिखोगे since AB is equal to D and AB is parallel to D, this implies ABED is a parallelogram. Reason, one of the opposite sides is parallel and equal. जो लास्ट वाला हमारा थ्योरम था कि one of the opposite side is parallel and equal, then it becomes a parallelogram. Second, सेम चीज BEFC में ये जो ट्राइंगल है ये जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है BEFC, इसमें भी ये देखो वन ऑफ द साइड इज पैरेलल एज वेल एज इक्वल. सो सिंस BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. Okay. So BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. उस केस में this implies BEFC is a parallelogram. Reason same होगा, one of the opposite side is parallel and equal. थर्ड पार्ट में आ जाते हैं. अब देखो थर्ड पार्ट, since ABED is a parallelogram, ABED is a parallelogram. तो ये अगर पैरेललोग्राम है तो देखो ये जो साइड है ये इसके पैरेलल हो जाएगा. AD is parallel to B, AD is parallel to B first. उसके अलावा ये भी एक पैरेललोग्राम था तो इससे ये और ये भी पैरेलल, B is parallel to CF as well. So AD is parallel to B और ये भी लिख लेना कि AD is equal to B and AD is equal to B. उसके अलावा since BEFC is a parallelogram, BEFC is a parallelogram, so we have, I'm sorry, लिखेगा मैं इधर लिख रहा हूँ, BE is parallel to CF and BE is equal to CF. Second, तो देखो यहाँ पे AD parallel to BE and BE parallel to CF, तो ये AD BE के पैरेलल है, BE CF के पैरेलल है, मतलब AD और CF भी पैरेलल होगा. उसी तरह AD BE के इक्वल है और BE CF के इक्वल है तो AD और CF भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. So from 1 and 2 AD is parallel to BE is parallel to CF and AD is equal to BE is equal to CF. ये दोनों को कंबाइन कर दिया तो ये थर्ड वाला भी प्रूव हो गया. अब हमारे पास है कि AD जो है CF के पैरेलल है और AD CF के बराबर भी है, राइट? तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, ACFD is a parallelogram. This implies ACFD is a parallelogram. Why? Because one of the side, this side is equal to this and this is also parallel to this. So in this quadrilateral also becomes a parallelogram. अब when that is a parallelogram, so that means AC also becomes equal to DF. That means AC is equal to DF. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. अब हमारे पास देखो AC DF के बराबर हो गया. अब इस ट्राइंगल में अगर हम बात करें और इस ट्राइंगल में, तो देखो तीनों साइड आपस में इक्वल है, तो एसएसएस से दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएगा। इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंड डीईएफ, इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंड ट्राइंगल डीईएफ, we have AB is equal to D, BC is equal to AF, and AC is equal to DF. So these two are given, and this is proved. So by SSS, we have triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Clear, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. लिख लिया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
So I'm writing it slowly.
लिखो, मैं इधर वाला लिखा। ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, and AD is equal to BC. This is equal to this. Show that angle A is equal to angle B. We have to show that these two angles are equal. Angle C is equal to B, and angle ABC is triangle ABC is congruent to BAD. Diagonal AC is equal to BD. तो क्या करो, इसको एक्सटेंड कर दो आगे तक, और उसके बाद ड्रॉ अ लाइन C पैरेलल टू DA, CE. So ये एक CE इसके पैरेलल बना. So this is the construction basically. So given ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to BC. To prove angle A is equal to B, angle C is equal to angle D. The first part, second part, third part is triangle ABC is congruent to BAB. And then diagonal AC is equal to BD. Now, construction. So first is that draw CE, draw CE parallel to DA. And second is to extend AB to E. Now, for the proof of this, now first we have to prove angle A is equal to angle B. We know that this angle A plus D is equal to, so this angle A plus D is 180 degree, and this angle A plus E is also 180 degree. Now, पहले इसको कर लो, फिर इसको कर लो. Let's say this is angle X. So this becomes 180 minus X. And this again, because this is 180 minus X, this is these two are basically, so these two forms linear pair and these two forms co-interior angle. The sum here is 180 degree. Given since AB is parallel to AE is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to CE. This implies ADCE is a parallelogram. Because the opposite sides are parallel, this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. So this whole thing, ADCE, is a parallelogram. Now if it is a parallelogram, we have AD is equal to CE because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. AD becomes equal to CE, but AD is also equal to BC. So that means this was given AD is equal to BC. So AD is equal to BC is equal to C. So that means all these three sides are equal. Now if these two are equal, let's say this is x, this will also be x. So this will become 180 minus x by linear pair, and this are co-interior angles. This is also 180 minus x. So that will make A and B equal. So you can write let angle ABC, the let angle in triangle CBE, since BC is equal to C, this implies angle CBE is equal to CEB is equal to X. Isosceles triangle. Now if these two are X, angle ABC is 180 minus X, linear pair. And also angle BAD is also 180 minus X using co-interior angles. See, now both of these are equal 180 minus X. So पहला वाला तो प्रूव हो गया कि angle A is equal to B. So this implies angle A is equal to angle B. अब ये 180 minus X है, तो ये भी X होगा. तो ऐसे भी X होगा, ऑपोजिट साइड वैसे भी कर सकते हो या फिर कोई इंटीरियर एंगल कर सकते हो. उसी तरह ये भी X होगा बाय कोई इंटीरियर एंगल, तो C और D भी इक्वल हो गए. So you can write it down. Angle D is equal to 180 minus angle A, co-interior angles, and similarly angle C is equal to 180 minus angle B, same reason co-interior angles. This will imply angle C is equal to angle D. ये भी सेकेंड पार्ट भी हो गया. थर्ड पार्ट ABC और BAD को हम लोग को करना है. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको ज्वाइन कर देते हैं और इसको भी ज्वाइन कर देते हैं. Now ABC और BAD triangle में where these two sides equal, this common and these two angles equal. So in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, okay, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, we have AB is equal to BA. This is common between both these. And AD is equal to BC. इसके अलावा एंगल BAD ABC कह रहा है, तो एंगल ABC is equal to angle BAD. This is moved above. And then we have AD is equal to BC. BC is equal to AD. This is given. So by SAS, we have triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. Now, third one is also done. Fourth is AC is equal to BD. So by CPCT, this implies AC is equal to BD by CPCT.
Done, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please tell how angle A and B equal?
कौन सा होता है?
Sir, first part.
Angle A is equal to B. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
see, because this is equal to this given, and we have proved that this is the parallelogram. So this will also be equal to this. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So that means
Yes, sir.
this side and this side is equal. If these two sides are equal, these two angles will also be equal. So we have assumed it to be x and this also x. If this is x, this will be 180 minus x linear pair. And because this is parallel to this, so if this is x, this will be 180 minus x by co-integer.
Okay, sir.
So now
Yes.
these two angles both are 180 minus x, so these two are equal.
Okay, sir.
समझ आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
मिड-पॉइंट थ्योरम करेंगे. लिख लिया इधर.
Yes, sir.
Write down the statement first. The line segment joining the midpoints of line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of the third side. Equal to half of the third side. So if B and E are midpoints of AB and AC, then BE is parallel to BC and DE is equal to half of BC. ये हमें प्रूफ करना है, ठीक है? So what is given is AD is equal to BB and AE is equal to BC. To prove DE parallel to BC and DE is equal to BC by, ये हमें प्रूफ करना है. Construction क्या है? Draw CF parallel to BA, इसके पैरेलल कनेक्ट करना. Draw CF parallel to BA. CF parallel to BA बना लेंगे, राइट? अब ये जो दोनों है ट्राइंगल, इसको कंसीडर करें, this one and this one. So because this is parallel to this, so we'll have this angle equal to this angle. this side is equal to this side, and also this angle becomes equal to this angle by vertically opposite angle, this by alternate interior angles, and this is given. So by ASA congruence condition, these two triangles are congruent. So that means this side becomes equal to this side by CPCT. So this is also equal to this. So that means this whole thing becomes a parallelogram. So it is parallel and equal these two sides. So this becomes a parallelogram. So that means DEF becomes parallel to BC, or this is equal to. Let us write it and then you will be able to understand. ऊपर वाला statement हमने लिख लिया है. ये statement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vivan.
Yes, sir, I've written it, sir. Okay, erase it, sir.
Good. So we have in triangle AED and CEF. In triangle AED and triangle CEF, we have E is equal to C. This is given. Angle AED is equal to angle CEF vertically opposite angles. Now, उसके अलावा एंगल EAD, angle EAD is equal to angle ECF. Alternate interior angles by ASA. Triangle AED is congruent to triangle CEF. इससे हमें क्या क्या आएगा? पहला AD is equal to CF. AD is equal to CF is equal to BD by CPC. AD BD के बराबर है, AD CF के बराबर हो गया, तो तीनों इक्वल हो गए. उसके अलावा this DE becomes equal to EF. This is also by CPCT. Okay. Now we have in BCFD. In BCFD, we have BD is parallel to CF. BD parallel to CF by construction. And BD is also equal to CF. This is proved above. Now, BD is equal to CF, BD parallel to CF by construction. Okay, so this implies BCFD is a parallel. अब ये अगर पैरेललोग्राम हो गया तो दिस विल गिव यू B parallel to BC and DF equal to BC. So DF parallel to BC and DF equal to BC. So DF को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं twice of D is equal to BC क्योंकि DE और EF equal है यहाँ. So this implies D is equal to BC by 2 and DE is also parallel to BC. So this is the midpoint theorem. Clear है बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, please write this down and once you have written you can we'll end the class today here only. अगली क्लास में हम लोग कन्वर्स ऑफ मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट करेंगे और एग्जांपल्स करेंगे.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.